Next we are discussing formula number 7. In this one we are discussing integration of root over x square minus a square dx. So first we are deriving this one. तो यहाँ पे क्या करें, x क्या पुट कर सकते हैं, a secant theta और a cosecant theta. So first we have to convert everything in terms of theta. So we have to differentiate this one. So dx equal to what becomes a secant theta, differentiate what becomes secant theta into tan theta d theta. So here we have to put x and theta values. Okay. So what becomes integration of root over x से क्या पुट करें, a secant theta. So what becomes a square secant square theta minus a square dx से क्या पुट करेंगे, ये पुट करेंगे a secant theta into tan theta d theta. So this is now integration of root over a square, we can take common, secant square theta minus 1 is what, tan square theta. So what becomes root over a square tan square theta. So we can write a tan theta into this is what, a secant theta into tan theta d theta. So this one we can write a square into tan theta into secant theta into tan theta d theta. So what you are doing, this one we are assuming I. So what will become a square I. So this is equal to a square I. So I equal to what, this one. So I equal to integration of tan theta into secant theta d theta. We know integration of this one. Integration of secant theta into tan theta is what, secant theta. So this one we are taking integrating function and this one is differentiating function. So this one is what, integrating function. Integrating function. So this will come what, I equal to integration of tan theta into this one. So tan theta is what, outside. Integration of this one is what, secant theta minus tan theta difference what, secant square theta. Integration of this one is what, secant theta into d theta. This will come. So I equal to what will come, tan theta into secant theta minus integration of secant cube theta d theta we know. So what will come here, 1 by 2 in bracket secant theta into tan theta plus ln modulus of tan theta plus secant theta plus c dash. This will come. So this one we can add what, I equal to minus 1 by 2 we are multiplying inside. So what will come, tan theta into secant theta minus 1 by 2 secant theta into tan theta. So what will come, 1 by 2 into tan theta into secant theta. Minus 1 by 2 we are multiplying inside. So what will come, minus 1 by 2 ln modulus of tan theta plus secant theta and minus 1 by 2 c dash. This will come. Okay. Now we know that secant theta is what, x by a. Secant theta is what, x by a. So we are making triangle. Suppose this is theta. So x is this one, a is this one. So this is what, root over x square minus a square. So from it tan theta is what, root over x square minus a square divided by a. This will come. Now tan theta and secant theta value we are putting here. So what will come, I equal to 1 by 2. Tan theta is what, this one, root over x square minus a square divided by a. Secant theta is what, x by a minus 1 by 2 ln modulus of tan theta is what, root over x square minus a square divided by a plus secant theta is what, x by a minus c dash divided by 2. This will come. We want a square I. So we are multiplying here a square. So what will come, a square I equal to a square by 2 x into root over x square minus a square divided by a square minus a square by 2 ln, we are taking a LCM. LCM is what, a. So what will come, modulus of x plus root over x square minus a square divided by a minus c dash divided by 2. This will come. So this will come what, a square I equal to a square getting cancelled. We'll get x by 2 root over x square minus a square minus. Okay. So here a square by 2 we are multiplying, a square we are multiplying. So here also will come a square. Sorry. So what will come here? This is what, a square by 2 ln modulus of x plus root over x square minus a square. Okay. Minus what, plus ln modulus of a into a square by 2 minus a square c dash divided by 2. Okay, this is constant, this is also constant. So constant minus constant is what? Constant. So this one we can add what? X by 2 root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 ln modulus of x plus root over x square minus a square modulus plus c. This is the formula. So what will come here? X by 2, this one as it is, root over x square minus a square by 2 ln modulus of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. This is your formula.